Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, we'll walk through how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. Visual Studio Code is a powerful source code editor that makes programming efficient and supports multiple languages. With that said, let's get started. Begin with opening your browser, searching for Visual Studio Code, and navigate to the official website at code.visualstudio.com. Don't worry about the exact link, I'll include it in the description box below. On the website, click Download. Once downloaded, the file is about 100 megabytes, so it might take a while. Open the installer to begin the setup. When the setup window opens, read and accept the license agreement, then click Next. You can choose an installation location, but I suggest keeping it as default unless necessary. For the Start menu folder, name it Visual Studio Code, or skip it by checking the Don't Create a Start Menu folder box. Next, you'll see additional options, such as creating a desktop icon. Select any options you prefer and proceed by clicking Next. Review your setup and click Install to begin the installation. Once completed, click Finish, and Visual Studio Code will launch automatically. On the welcome screen, you can customize your setup. Start by selecting a theme that suits your preferences and clicking Next. You'll then be directed to the programming language support page. VS Code supports various languages such as JavaScript, Python, Java, TypeScript, CSS, C++, PHP, and more. To start programming in any of these languages, install the relevant extensions. For instance, if you're working with HTML and CSS, search for the respective extensions, click Install, and they will be added to your editor. Once your plugins are set up, return to the Welcome tab, click Mark Done, and create a new project. To start, click on New File, select the file type, e.g., text file, and begin programming. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.